Hi all, welcome to our 10th standard maths. Let us continue coordinate geometry. Next example, find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining A minus 2, 2 and B 2, 8 into 4 equal parts. Here line segment AB in 4 equal parts. A minus 2, 2 coordinates of A, B 2, 8. Let P, Q, R points P, Q, R. Let the points P, Q and R divides the line segment A minus 2, 2 and B 2, 8 into 4 equal parts. Here we observe that point P divides AB, line segment AB in the ratio 1:3 by applying section formula. By using section formula, we get mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Here x1 y1 x2 y2 m is to n, x1 y1 minus 2, 2 x2 y2 2, 8 1 is to 3. Section formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, y coordinate my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Coordinates of P, to get coordinates of P, here 1 x2 2 plus n 3 x1 minus 2 by 1 plus 3 ratio. Y coordinate my2 8 plus n 3 y1 2 by 1 plus 3, that is 2 minus 6 by 4, 8 plus 6 by 4. Plus 2 minus 6 minus 4 by 4, 8 plus 6 14 by 4, minus 1, 7 by 2. Coordinates of P minus 1, 7 by 2. Similarly, point Q divides the line segment AB in the ratio 1:1. By applying section formula, we get, here we have to change only the ratio 1:2 plus 1 again minus 2 1 plus Q coordinate 1 2 1 plus 1. Here 2 minus 2 by 2, 8 plus 2 by 2, plus 2 minus 2 0, 0 by 2 0, 8 plus 2 10 by 2 5. Coordinates of Q 0, 5. Coordinates of R. Point R divides line segment AB in the ratio 3:1. By using the section formula we get 1 M 3:1. 3 plus 1, here 3, 8 plus 1, 3 plus 1. 6 minus 2 by 4, 24 plus 2 by 4. 6 minus 2, 4, 4 by 4, 1. 26 by 4, 26 by 4. 13 by 2, plus 1, 13 by 2. Coordinates of R. Let's move to the next example. If A and B are minus 2, minus 2 and 2, minus 4 respectively. If the coordinates of P such that AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB and P lies on the line segment AB. Here AB is a line segment minus 2, minus 2, 2, minus 4. P lies on the line segment AB. Let us find coordinates of P. Here given that the coordinates of point A and B are minus 2, minus 2 and 2, minus 4 respectively. Also AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB. Here it implies we have to find the ratio AP by AB is equal to, take AB left hand side, AP by AB is equal to 3 by 7. We know that AB is equal to AP plus PB. AB is equal to AP plus PB. From figure we know that AB is equal to AP plus PB. From figure we know that AB is equal to AP plus PB. Here cross multiply, 7 AP is equal to 3 AP plus PB. Here 7 AP minus 3 AP is equal to 3 PB. That is 4 AP is equal to 3 PB. Or AP by PB is equal to 3 by 4. Therefore AP is to PB is equal to 3:4. 3:4. Let us find the coordinates of P. Let point P, let us say x, y, divides the line segment AB in the ratio 3:4. By applying section formula we get mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Here x1 y1 minus 2 comma minus 2, x2 y2 2 comma minus 4, m is to n 3 is to 4, m x2 3, x2 2 plus n 4, x1 minus 2 by 3 plus 4, m3 y2 minus 4 plus n 4 y1 minus 2 by 3 plus 4. Three twos are 6, 4 twos are 8, 3 plus 4 7, 12 minus 8 7, plus 6 minus 8 minus 2 by 7, minus 12 minus 8 minus 20 by 7. Therefore coordinates of P minus 2 by 7 comma minus 20 by 7. Let us solve next example. Find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2 comma minus 3 and B 1 comma 4. Here given center coordinates of A. Find the coordinates of A where AB is the diameter. Diameter, center of the circle, point A, B. Center is 2 comma minus 3. Diameter of the center is and B 1 comma 4. Coordinates of B 1 comma 4. Here given that coordinates of let the coordinates of a point AB x1 comma y1. Here midpoint of AB is O, which is the center of the circle. Using midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, 2 comma minus 3, x1 plus x2 by 2, x1 plus y1 plus y2 by 2. Here int implies x1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 and y1 plus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 3. By cross multiplication we get y1 plus 4 is equal to minus 6. That is x1 is equal to 4 minus 1 3 and y1 is equal to minus 6 minus 4 minus 10. Therefore coordinates of A x1 comma y1 is 3 comma minus 10. One more example, if 1 comma 2, 4 comma y, x comma 6 and 3 comma 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. Here A, B, C, D, let A 1 comma 2, B 4 comma y, C x comma 6 and D 3 comma 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram ABCD. ABCD is a parallelogram taken in order A, B, C, D. Diagonals O. We know that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. We know that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Therefore, we can write, so the coordinates of midpoint of AC is equal to the coordinates of midpoint of BD. Midpoint x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Since both the coordinates are the same point O, x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2 BD to y1 plus y2 by 2. AC x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. BD 4 plus 5 4 plus 3 plus 4. BD 3 plus 4 by 2, 5 plus y by 2. Here 6 plus 2 8 by 2 4, 1 plus x by 2 comma 4, 4 plus 3 7 by 2, 5 plus y by 2. So here we can write 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2, and x coordinate, y coordinate 5 plus y by 2. Since both the coordinates are of the same point O, we can write 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. X coordinate, y coordinate 4 is equal to 5 plus y by 2. Cross multiply and transposition, 2 plus 2x is equal to 14. 2x is equal to 14 minus 2, 12. X is equal to 14 minus 2, 12. It implies 2x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 by 2, 6. Here 8 is equal to 5 plus y. Y is equal to 8 minus 5, 3. Value of x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. One more example. If the points A 6,1, B 8,2, C 9,4 and D P, 3 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order. Find the value of P. Here let A 6,1, B 8,2, C 9,4 and D P, 3 are the vertices of a parallelogram ABCD. ABCD is a parallelogram taken in order. We know that we know that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So we can write the coordinates of midpoint of AC is equal to coordinates of midpoint of BD diagonals, that is x1 plus x2 by 2, midpoint formula x1 by x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, coordinates of x and y. Here AC x1 A and C x1 6 plus 9 by 2. Similarly AC y1 plus y2 by 2, 1 plus 4 by 2 is equal to midpoint of BD 8 plus P by 2. Applying midpoint formula for diagonal BD, 2 plus 3 by 2. Simplify 6 plus 9 15, 15 by 2, 4 plus 1 5, 5 by 2, 8 plus P by 2, 5 by 2. Since both the coordinates of the same point O, we can write 15 by 2 is equal to 8 plus P by 2. Cross multiply 2, 8 plus P is equal to 15 into 2 30, 16, 2P is equal to 13 minus 16. 30 minus 16 is 14, that is 2P is equal to 14. P is equal to 14 by 2, 7. P is equal to 7. Value of P. The value of P is 7.